This YouTube channel called Sleepless Historian is combining three insanely powerful niches, and the results? Absolutely mind-blowing. They launched their first video just a few weeks ago. Since then, they've uploaded a new video almost every single day and already crossed 225,000 subscribers. But here's what's wild. One of their videos, posted just yesterday, at the time of making this video, has already crossed 72,000 views. Another one? Over 2 million views within 2 weeks. That's how explosive their strategy is. Here's what makes this channel unstoppable. Lo-fi and ambient niche. Viral point of view, POV style, and historical storytelling. They create long, relaxing sleep content that tells historical stories from the viewer's perspective, paired with soothing narration and ambient background sound. It's immersive, calming, and perfectly YouTube algorithm friendly. But here's the kicker, these videos are over 2 hours long, which means way more ad revenue per video. And they can be created in under an hour using either free or paid AI tools. Whether you're working a 9 to 5 or going full-time on YouTube, this niche is a gold mine. And yes, it's fully monetizable. The Sleepless Historian channel is monetized. You can use the NextLev Chrome extension to check it and verify. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything. How to find engaging topics, how to generate long-form scripts with AI, how to convert those scripts into voiceovers, how to generate stunning visuals with free or paid AI tools, how to edit the full video, and finally, how to design thumbnails like the pros. Everything I use, including all the prompts, is in a Google Doc named Sleepless Historian in our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the video description. Now here's a quick demo of what we're going to build together.
Hey guys, tonight we drift back, way back, to a time before receipts, before coins, before anyone had the pleasure of shouting, "I'd like to speak to the manager." Picture yourself in the middle of a bustling Sumerian marketplace, somewhere around 3200 BCE. It's dawn, and the desert air is already warming up, thick with the scent of roasting onions, sweaty donkeys, and a suspiciously fishy breeze wafting in from the Euphrates. You're barefoot, slightly grumpy, and trying to remember if you already paid for that basket of barley, or if the vendor just looked really convincing. You're surrounded by traders, hawkers, jugglers, and at least one old woman selling magic dates that are definitely just regular dates. Everyone's bartering, arguing, and loudly praising their own goods while subtly dissing their neighbors. A man is offering copper tools straight from the mountain gods, next to another guy shouting that his beer is strong enough to knock Enlil off his throne. It's chaos, but organized chaos. Everyone somehow knows who owes what, who traded what, and what was promised last week at that wedding feast involving 7 goats and a badly tuned lyre. Because here's the wild part, there are no receipts. No IOUs, no signatures, no tap to pay. You buy a cartload of onions and just hope no one forgets, or lies, or misremembers how much silver you forked over. Yeah, good luck with that.
Sounds interesting and engaging, right? That is the intro of the video. If you are interested in watching the full video, I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going to recreate this video from scratch. It's a simple and fun process. And if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly how to do it in just 7 easy steps. Now let's break down each of the steps required to create the most engaging Sleepless Historian inspired video on YouTube. Step 1. Find your video topic. You can scan trending channels or the channel we are modeling for ideas, but I've made it easier for you. I've created a prompt to generate dozens of niche-specific topics in seconds. Copy the topic prompt from the Google Doc I mentioned earlier. Paste it into ChatGPT. You can use DeepSeek or QN or any other AI text tool of your choice. Replace the placeholder with 20 or however many ideas you want. Hit enter and let the AI do its thing. The result? Dozens of highly clickable historical POV topics. Pick one that stands out. Not feeling any? Regenerate. Step 2. Generate the script. Now go back to the doc and find the script prompt. These videos are 2 hours plus long, so we're splitting the script into 15 parts, each 1,000 to 1,100 words. Here's how. Copy the full prompt. Replace the placeholder with your chosen topic, just the core subject. Paste into ChatGPT. The AI will first generate an outline, then ask you to type continue for each section. Do this until you complete all 15 sections. Skim through everything to make sure it flows, but usually, it's ready to go. Step 3. Create the voiceover. If you're on a budget, use Clipchamp. It's free and decent. But if you can, I recommend 11 Labs or Minimax Audio for natural-sounding narration. For this style of content, a calm, deep voice works best. You can use 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers realistic AI-generated voices. They are perhaps the market leader in this niche. Minimax Audio. Minimax Audio is the new kid in town for AI-generated voices. It is a great alternative with professional narration quality. I will showcase how to generate your AI voices in each of these tools. Creating the voiceover via 11 Labs. Next, we need to turn our script into a professional-sounding voiceover. 1. Go to 11 Labs and choose a natural-sounding voice. 2. Head over to the voice library to find the perfect voice. Select the voice you like that suits your script. 3. Copy and paste your script, then generate the voiceover within minutes. Here's how to do it in Minimax Audio. Head over to Minimax Audio website. Log in or register if you are a new user. Pro tip, Minimax Audio offers some free credits. You can use this to test their platform. They have really nice voices. You can tweak them to your liking. Click on the text-to-speech menu. Paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into the text-to-speech box. Set the language to English or any other language of your choice. Choose from the available voice actors. You can as well clone your own voice, if you so wish. Minimax offers this feature. Tweak the voice settings and hit the Generate Speech button. Instantly, your narration is ready to go. With the voice generated, you are now ready for the next step. Remember to paste the script in chunks to enable the AI generate a better natural-sounding audio for you. Step 4. Generate image prompts for each script section. You can't rely on AI to guess which scenes matter most. Instead, use my section-specific image prompt. Copy the image prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT. Replace 10 prompts with your preferred number per section. Copy and paste the full script from that section only. Hit enter and wait for the AI to generate detailed image prompts. Each one comes with a scene description and image style. Repeat this for all 15 script sections. Step 5. Create the images. For image generation, you can use either Ideogram AI or Google Image FX. Both work well. Both tools are great. ensure you choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Copy the image prompts from ChatGPT. Paste it into the dialog box. Ensure you choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Hit generate, and your images are ready. Regenerate if you don't like what you got. Repeat same process until you have generated all the images for the 15 sections. Pro tip: if you have ChatGPT Pro, you can also use its built-in image generator. Step 6. Edit the video using CapCut. Import your images and narration. Drop the audio into the timeline. Trim awkward pauses, if any, using CapCut. Drop in your images and match them to the narration. Add motion by using keyframes to zoom slightly in and out on each image. Apply a subtle filter or adjustment layer to unify the visuals. You can even add effects like vapor or film grain, but only if they enhance, not distract. Pro tip: add ambient sound. This could be better instead of music. However, soft ambient music works too. To be precise, the channel we're modeling uses crackling fire sounds instead of music. The choice is all yours. If you prefer to go that route, go to Pixabay, search fire, download a 30-min loop, and drop it under your narration. Ensure you lower the volume so it blends softly into your narration. Bonus: if you don't want to go to Pixabay, I have left a link to a cracking fire sound in our Telegram channel. You can download and use it right away. Step 7. Create the thumbnail. First, generate a dramatic character image using a custom thumbnail prompt provided on the Google Doc. Copy the thumbnail prompt. Head to Ideogram AI, ImageFX, Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or any other AI generation tool of your choice. Paste the thumbnail prompt and hit Generate. Download your generated image and head to Canva. Upload the image to Canva. Open a landscape canvas. Drag your image into the canvas. Add bold text. This could be the title of your channel or the title of your video. In the case of the channel we are modeling, they are using the title of their channel. Use large fonts and high contrast colors. Export as PNG. That's it. Your thumbnail is ready for upload to YouTube. Final thoughts. This niche is simple, scalable, and wide open. If you're looking for low competition, high reward YouTube content, this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.